wanted to ride dirt. Here I go. There's some dirt. Just finished picking up the bearings. Riding mud. Well, I'm here in Whitehorse, picked up the bearings, heading to Yamaha so they can work on a Harley. What's the irony? Here with John. Oh, what the fuck I'm getting? You see that fucking
bees, man. Hold on.
The fucking bees, bro. Trying to get inside my helmet. Let's try this again. John, here are your bearings.
Thank you, good man.
Let's go.
Let's
go
do it.
inside and tell these guys. Is this the Hoka Hey bike here?
So they got me set up in order. They got a couple things to do with it.
Yeah, better to move my bike. They're asking me to move my bike. The tractor trailer wants to bring in boats. I guess there's some lakes. People be around here boating it up. There. Guy from the bearing company said it was going to be in the 80s today and tomorrow, so it's going to get better and better. So maybe the rest of the weather will be good to ride up to Homer without having to freeze. So there's a bunch of fucking angry bees out here.
I'm bragging on the accents.
And then we got all these Missouri boys here. That's good. This guy's down here performing cunnilingus on his motorcycle. 69.
He's licking the chain.
I know I've talked a lot about fucking since I've been down here.
What's the name of it?
Big Bear?
Big Bear Restaurant or something?
Right down the hill.
Yeah.
I'll get my foot in here. This is closed by itself.
No. President, no, yeah.
They said they got big, beautiful women over there that are going to serve us.
Yes. The funniest thing here, the women are for free.
Really?
Yeah, where are you guys from?
Fort Lauderdale,
Yeah, in
Panama City.
Florida.
Florida.
About 239 bikers.
How many hours?
Oh, hours? Yeah. You mean how many weeks? 2 weeks?
2 weeks?
2 weeks, man. My shoulders hurt.
7, 8, 9, 11 days.
11 days.
11 days.
So we're here at Big Bear Eatery and Tap House. Please wait to be seated. Look, there's Canadians here. That's a nice little place you got here. We'll just sit anywhere or what? So I'm here in the bathroom. Look at this woman. Demons. What a weird guy. Let's go over here and see what this bathroom looks like. Damn, this is the woman's room. Look at that big old bird. Like Flavor Flav, he's got the clock around his neck. Oh, John's back. Damn, I was so hungry, I forgot to show you the food. We had a great conversation with John, but this is what's left. Had a cheeseburger, a double patty cheeseburger, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, ketchup and mustard. And John was saying that Cubans are weird because we put ketchup on everything. It could be worse. We could be like the Greeks and put Windex on everything, right? Like my fat Greek wedding. This is our waitress. Hello. Say hello. She is here from Spain, and it was good to speak Spanish. Nobody speaks Spanish here. I'm like, oh, we were having a good conversation in Spanish. She's got a boyfriend. I'm like, come down to Miami. Oh, I don't like you. I said, oh, you haven't been to Miami? Those Cubans will sweep you off your feet. Those South Florida Cubans, you single ladies, be careful with those South Florida Cubans.
Are you guys making like a video vlog?
Yeah. So tell us, what do you think about us, rating on us?
Oh, you guys were really nice to serve. I love talking with people, like that they actually want to talk with you and want
And
to.
I was telling them here that your boyfriend hasn't put a ring on your finger. That you're
I'm
fair
waiting.
game. So all you Cubans down in Florida, come up to Whitehorse, sweep her off her feet and take her down. I'm gonna bring my son next year. If you're still here and you don't have a ring on that
I'm
finger,
always going to.
we're going to steal you, kidnap you down to Miami.
Well, if you have a get the green card.
They'll get you the green card. I'm an attorney. I can get it for you. So one of the things I was telling the riders yesterday that were leaving, that were, when they saw John broke down, I was telling them, they were doing their first time, and I was like, look, a good place to go is to make it to Destruction Bay, and they're there. Just try to stay the night, because you may not have enough gas. If you do get gas, then keep going, you know. But you get a lot of desolate areas, and then all of a sudden a town will pop up. And if you're down to a quarter tank, don't leave that town, because you'll run out of gas. You've got to stay conscious of your gas, because this is not South Florida where there's 3 gas stations on every corner. You know, basically you could ride 60 miles and there's no gas pump. You know, I've broken down, been like on fumes, and I've knocked on trailers, RVs. I've stopped at farms, knocked on doors and got gas that way. You know, because a lot of times they'll have cans of gas for their generators or whatever they have, whatever it is. It's good to have extra gas, you know, their tractors or lawnmowers or whatever they use, snow blowers. But all good. So we're heading back to Yamaha. Well, we're here, as you can see, the sun's starting to come over the mountains. 6 a.m. in the morning. We're leaving Whitehorse. John's bike, he warmed it up, it's doing well. He needs a back tire. The back tire's a little balder than me. Look at that man, he's excited to get back on the road. We're about to finish it. 900 miles, we're gonna try to iron butt that thing and cross that finish line and get the picture. Because if there ain't no picture, it never happens.
Got my dry mile gloves on.